Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can activate the turbo mode on your 8BitDo Ultimate 2. Now this is going to be extremely simple. Basically there's going to be this star button on the middle of your controller. So in order to enable those turbo mode onto specific buttons, you can just press on something like maybe A right here, and then let's press on the star button for around 2 seconds, and the light will appear, allowing us to confirm that we have successfully enabled the turbo mode for this specific button. So if I press it, it will then show up right here. And basically if you want to disable that, just do the same thing, which is by pressing the same button, press on the star button for around 2 seconds, and it will simply disable the turbo mode. But if you want to go ahead and make it automatic, if you know what that means, you could just press on the A button once more, or basically any buttons, and then you want to press 2 times on the star button, and basically from there it will then show up like this, meaning that we have activated the automatic turbo mode for this specific button. Of course, if you want to disable that, just do the same thing and basically you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.